What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look at that. Look where I'm at. Oh man, it's so beautiful and so quiet. So I'm out here in Anza Borregos, well, near Anza Borregos State Park. I believe it's Anza Borregos Spring, I believe. We're on public land area right now. So today I want to do a product review real quick. As you can see, whoops. You see that? See that? This baby right here. This is the Anker Solix C1000 that was sent out to us, and I've been using this for a few weeks now for different like stuff around the house and whatnot. So this is the first time I'm taking it out on this adventure. So you can see that video of this adventure coming up pretty soon. But today I want to talk about this power bank real quick. This thing has been really nice, and I like the way this power bank looks a lot. So we'll go into the unboxing and then trying it out on a few tools and stuff that you might use when it comes to overlanding. So I've been using it for stuff that's around the house that I would normally use on overlanding, cooking, stuff like that. And so yeah, we'll go into the unboxing and then testing this unit out real quick. Let's get into that portion of the video right now. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So Anker sent this power station for us to do a little bit of a product review. So this is the Solix C1000 portable power station by Anker. So we're gonna do the unboxing today, and then yes, test this out on a few overlanding trips. So let's take a look at the unboxing of this power station real quick. Oh my gosh, look at all the ports, charging ports you have. Got two USB, I think 2 USB-C, I believe. Car socket, charging. Wow. And I don't know what this is for. I gotta read into it, but it has this too. The back. It's pretty nice and sturdy. I like this handle. And it's not as it's really square, so it's easier to put stuff. I'll put it in the back of your car and whatnot. You know, it's not a funky shape, so that's really cool. Oh, on the side. Oh yeah, all the parts. I'll put all the information, description, all the specs about this unit. But yeah, this is my impression. It looked really nice. Let's see what else is in that box that they sent us. All right, come with the warranty card as well. And I think this is all the cable for it. Check it out. Oh yeah, you got your standard charging cable from the home. 110 volt, I believe. Got your cigarette lighter charging. And I believe, yeah, I think this is definitely for a solar panel, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, those are the three cables that come with inside this box here, guys. I'm gonna charge it up and then test it out real quick. All right, so this thing is charged 100%, as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna try to test out a few products to see how powerful this battery pack is. The first thing, I'm doing a little project in my house, and I'm curious to see if the Dremel will work with this. So let's see if I can plug it in and see if the Dremel works. All right, moment of truth, so press this. Okay, Dremel should be. Oh yeah, look at that. So it's pulling right now, 17 watts. I'm trying to go higher. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So on a pinch, if you need to cut anything, small tool like a Dremel will work with this Anker Solix. All right, let's test a few other stuff. Let's test out the two essential when it comes to overlanding: a coffee maker, a Keurig coffee maker, and a toaster. Obviously, you're most likely not going to be carrying these if you guys going for like a long haul. But I'm just curious to see if, let's say you do like a weekend kind of activity. It'd be nice to just bring these just to test it out. So I'm going to test out, see if the Anker Solix work with these two appliances. So let's make a cup of coffee and then we'll test out the toaster. So what I found out is you for the maximum capacity, you want to plug into this one, the surge one. So we'll do that. Okay, turn it on. It's 100% right now. And yeah, let's get a cup of coffee going. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a draw. 1,470 or 1,465 watts right now. So it's about 1 hour remaining of this. I like that they give you that information. Is it working? And this thing has been sitting, so it's not like it's hot water already. So it's been sitting. Look at that. It's working. You can bring this. Let's see what's the draw right now. Okay, 1,450. It's getting, the fan is kicking in, but it's working, guys. A cup of coffee, Keurig, on the Anker Solix. All right, so that's done. My cup of coffee is nice, done. Ooh, nice and steamy. Down to 98. That's not bad. 2%. Now, what's a cup of coffee without PB&J, right? So we're gonna test it out with the toaster. All right, we got a toaster here. Let's do max. Okay. Oh yeah, it's working. Yeah, this one's surprisingly, I thought the toaster would draw a lot more watts, but it's half of what it was with the Keurig. So that's really interesting. With this one, it's drawing 756 watts. So we still have about an hour and 20 minutes remaining, but yep, it's working. Would you look at that? You can have PB&J, bring your coffee maker when you go overlanding. All right, toast is done. Let's see how much. Okay, it went down to 93%. Not too bad. So yeah, definitely worth it. Definitely can make a cup of coffee and also some toast when you go overlanding. All right, we're gonna test out one of the most useful thing overlanding for any Asian people. Rice cooker. Got my Tiger brand. Very, very reliable. And my rice is about 2 cups. Do the fingertip thing. Yep. Clean your rice, guys. All nice and clean. All right, we're gonna use this plug here. It's about 92%. So there. Put rice cooking. And yeah, we'll see if it works. Another good reason to have this is the app. You can look all the information on this app right now. It shows the percentage of the battery, the temperature, obviously, input, output if you're charging it. Right now, the output, and you can do all the, change the light setting on here. So it's really cool. You see everything here. You don't have to be near to the power bank to see all this. So that's definitely another great thing about this app right here. All right, rice is done. Oh yeah, nice and fluffy. So it's at 92%, so it went down to 74%. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Took about what, 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, something like that, to do about 2 cups. So not too bad. There you have it, guys. You can make rice when you go overlanding or camping. You can take this power station, and make coffee, rice obviously, and then toast as well. Another cool way to use the app is when you're driving, you can't see if the power bank is being charged, the Anker is being charged. You can just use the app to see it. It's kind of hard for me to see it back there, and the power button is not on, so I can't really see if it's being charged. But you go on the app, you're able to see it being charged right now. So it's kind of another cool feature of using this app. All right, we have our Anker system connect to our ice cold fridge. Just a day in the mountain, enjoying the snow for the nephews. But yeah, it's been powering this fridge pretty well. Let's see how we percent. Oh, still 100. It's been charging off my car cigarette lighter. But yeah, it's been good. All right, time for a snack. Alright guys, as you can see, this thing power a lot of things when it comes to overlanding stuff that we normally would use when we go camping, overlanding, that kind of stuff. I was very surprised by the rice cooker. My rice cooker is definitely a little bit bigger. So I was surprised that it does able to cook a lot of rice. So if you have a big family, you want to bring the big old rice cooker, yeah, this definitely can work. So yeah, very surprised with all the stuff on the appliances that we normally would run when it comes to overlanding. That it still works with this power bank. So I'm planning to bring a few appliances to test out in this summer to see how well this power bank does when it comes to, you know, a really few nights of camping and whatnot. But when it comes to like a day, definitely a night or something like that, definitely this thing is more than enough to power all those appliances. So a few things that I really like about this power bank is I like the design a lot. I really like these two handles right here that they have. Makes it carrying a little bit easier, and I like that how many outlets it has in the front here. So as you can see, there's about 6 outlets, as well as 2 USB-A and then 2 USB-C ports. So tons of places to also plug in your you know, phones or a drone or whatever battery stuff that you need, power bank and whatnot. So this thing is more than enough to power all those with all the outlets that it has. Then one thing I really like, I want something when it comes to power bank, when it comes to like overlanding or like camping and whatnot, something that I can able to charge with the cigarette lighter, the car socket right here. So this definitely, this whole drive from Orange County to Anza Borrego, I was able to charge from like 70% up to 100 in a few hours. That's really nice having that option. And obviously this LED amber light is really nice too. Just have some type of lighting system to help you out at night. And that will always a plus when it comes to doing anything outdoors. And another feature is definitely the expandable socket right here. So you can buy another the battery bank and able to expand that, so you can have way more than needed in capacity wise. So yeah, those are all the features. Oh, another thing is this surge right here. So this one is for if you plan to power something a lot, draw a lot of wattages, this one is the one you want to plug in. So I plug in the rice cooker with this, and I'm able to, you know, keep up with the rice cooker pretty well. And then the feature, all the feature you guys already went over, but I really like the app as well. Let me see if I can pull the app up real quick. But the app is really easy to manage. So I have it right here. It's 100% right here, and you see all the DC input, and it shows you all the AC output as well. It shows you which port is drawing the wattage when it comes to going in and out as well. You control the brightness, as you can see from here. So it's really cool. It's really easy to use actually. It doesn't take me long to actually connect the app with this power bank at all. So they made it really easy. The one thing I was hoping that it worked was that the solar panels. So I have two Jackery, two 100 watts solar panel, and unfortunately it doesn't, not able to connect with this Anker. Anker do sell their own solar panels, so if you guys looking for something to solar panel wise and connect to this, if you guys are doing long-term stuff, definitely on their website, Amazon whatnot do sell their own version of the solar panel. But unfortunately my solar panel wasn't able to connect with this one. The connection, the ports, the connection, the connection is totally different from the Anker was the Jackery, so I couldn't use the Jackery solar panel with this. So that's my only drawback with this. But other than that, man, this thing has been a powerhouse. So we're planning to use this coming summer on a few camping, overlanding trip coming soon. Have a few trip plans, so definitely this thing will be in the back of my truck. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting a unit for yourself, I'll leave all the information on this unit in the description below. And I like the fact that we can able to charge all like phones and like, you know, drone, GoPro and stuff like that, so we can get some cool footages like this. Alright guys, so hopefully you found that review to be helpful. Yeah, definitely the Anker Solix C1000. I'll definitely be using it this summer. So hopefully that you found that video informative when it comes to using this and overlanding. Definitely having a power bank is always helpful when it comes to running a different fridges, and if you're into like social media, stuff like that, camera gears and recording and whatnot. So it's nice having that and charging your phone and whatnot. So yeah, thank you Anker for sending it out. So I'll leave all the information in the description, or any coupon or code or anything like that for you guys to save some money. I know they are having a sale at the moment, so I'm not sure by the time I upload this is still going on, but check on their website and Amazon, all that. So I'll leave everything in the description for you guys. So yeah, if you guys like these type of content, consider subscribing. We're gonna, well, I am gonna continue exploring Fish Creek Wash, and then yeah, we'll see that video coming up sometime next week or something like that. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Take care. Bye.